Don Schweitzer getting stuff for the nursery, he says, and our sources tell us that some of those items included a change table, a crib, and safety gates. Safety gates for a child. I'm curious to know if this is important information for a custody hearing when you're talking about the welfare of a child.
It is. Any family law attorney is going to advise their client in a custody dispute to prepare the home so that the court looks at it and says, hey, this is a safe place. This is a place that you can take care of the child, and it looks like it's child-friendly. I'm sure that his attorney has told him to go out and purchase all these items, set it up in the event that there's some court scrutiny as to where he's living.
It's interesting, Gene, I was thinking, boy, 2 days beforehand, it sounds like a day late and $1 short, but maybe not. If he shows up with the goods, he shows up with the goods. By the way, whose paternity/custody case is this we're dealing with? Is it Virgie Arthur's petition? Is it Larry Burkhead's? Is it Howard K. Stern's? Who exactly are the players in this mess?
It's a little bit of both. First of all, the lead action is a civil fraud action, and that is brought by Larry Burkhead on behalf of Bahamian lawyers. He's alleging fraud that Howard K. Stern at this point conspired with Anna Nicole Smith to knowingly put his own name on the birth certificate as the father and the surname of the child as Stern, knowing full well he wasn't the father. Now, that is asking for civil damages, but how do you prove fraud? Well, what Larry Burkhead's team is saying, you've got to prove it by a DNA test. Now, also, a cross-claim, a counterclaim has been done by Virgie Arthur in regard to guardianship. She wants the custody of the child, and Deborah Rose, her attorney, her lead attorney, told us today she is asking for custody until the real father is to be determined.
Don Schweitzer, real quickly, I don't have a whole lot of time left, but some people have been saying this whole thing in the Bahamas smacks of forum shopping. In 20 seconds or less, what is that, and is that true?
It is true, and what it is it's when people who are involved in custody disputes who want to deny the other parent of their basic right to have a relationship with the child goes to another state, hoping that that state is going to grant sole physical and legal custody. In the United States, we have laws that were passed that prevent that, but when people move to foreign jurisdictions like the Bahamas who do not respect our laws, it's possible. Somebody with Anna Nicole Smith's money and her friends knew to do this, and now look kind of a pickle everybody's in.
All right. Well, Don Schweitzer, thanks so much for your time.